Hello everyone, this is our YumSoul app. Our app helps you to discover meals based on your mood, context, budget, and preference. Now I'm going to take you through the interface. Let's get started. Before continue our journey in YumSoul, we need to log in first. Since we don't have an account yet, we click here to register a new one. Now we are on the registration page. We need to fill in our personal information here. First, we enter the username, then email address, and we add our phone number here. Next, we select our gender from the list, and we edit the age. We can use the minus and plus button. Then we save the password and confirm the password. We also can toggle this eye icon to see what we have typed. Once all the information is filled in, we tap this next to preference button to continue to set our personal meal preference. Now we are going to set our preference starting with priority. On this screen, we can choose what matters most to us when picking meals. There are emotion, context, budget, and preference. We can press and drag each item to reorder them based on our priority. And then we also can tap this little information icon. It will show a short explanation for each option. Now we reset it to default. By default, YumSoul uses the algorithm of 14% from emotion, 30% from context, 20% from budget, and 10% from preference. We can keep this default, adjust it, or reset back it anytime. This page helps YumSoul understand what's most important to us when suggesting meal. Once we are happy with our priority, we tap this continue button to move to the next step. Next, we are going to select our preferred flavors. On this screen, we can pick one or more flavors that suit our taste like sweet, sour, spicy. We just tap to select or deselect each flavor. Once we have chosen, we tap the continue button to move to the next step. After that, we select the meal types we most enjoy, in the same way as we chosen our flavors, and then continue. Next, we set our dietary restrictions and allergies. We choose anything here, and for these allergies, we just skip it. We click this continue. For the eating goals, we choose comfort, quick, and treat yourself. Once we have made our choice, we tap this finish to complete our personalization. And now we are taken to the registration success page, and our YumSoul journey begins. This is our home page, and at the bottom, we can see the footer navigation, which include home, chat, diary, feedback, and profile. Let's start by exploring our main feature, chat first. In this chat, we can tell the AI how we feel or what's on our mind. We can also quickly select from the quick selection bar. First, we select hungry, and the AI asks for our budget. We choose this 15 to 25, and it gives us a suggestion. We click this View Suggestion to view more details. It will show a food name, restaurant name, rating, restaurant details, and also price. Now we go back and we click this Try Another. It gives us a different suggestions. We fill these suggestions, and now we go back. Let's say now we want to eat something spicy. We type in, and the AI also asks us to select the budget. We select it. It suggests a curry laksa. We fill these suggestions, and then we accept it. Once accepted, we found the meal is automatically added to our feedback. Now we are navigate to the feedback page. In this feedback page, it will show a summary of total, failed, pending feedback, and also average rating. We can filter the feedback by status like pending and failed. Now we click one of the failed feedback. We can fill the details and also edit the feedback. Now we go back and we click this curry laksa to edit. First, we upload the image, and then we enter the price. The food name and restaurant name can be edited, also the date and meal time. We give the rating now and save the feedback. Now in this feedback page, we can view the curry laksa is updated to field status. Now we go through the daily page. At the top we can select the day. For today we can see the curry laksa we accept early along with its name and calories. We can tap it to fill the feedback details we fill in. Switching to yesterday, we can see all meals from that day in feedback, and we can also add note. Now we click this view calendar. In this calendar view, days with accepted meals are highlighted. We can tap any highlighted day to see the meals and notes for that day. This diary helps us easily track what we have eaten, and the AI uses this information to avoid suggesting recently eaten meals. Now we go through for the profile page. This is our profile page. At the top show the photo and username, following with strict meal logs and badges. All of these three can be clicked to view more details. For strict, it shows how many days we have stayed consistent with our healthy meals. It also displays our best streak, progress, and tips to help us keep it going. This is meal log page. Show the total log, daily overview, last 7 days, and a smart logging tips. And also badges section to highlight our achievement and showing which one we have earned and we are still logged. It is a fun way to stay motivated and celebrate our progress. Then we can click this My Account to view our account information. It will show personal information, contact information, and also health details. We can click this Edit button to edit our account information. Then we also can click this My Achievement. It will show how many achievements we have earned, and we can share progress also. At the bottom have the filter. We can filter by the status like earn, in progress, and log, and also filter by type like strict, meals, diet, and loyalty. Next is my preference. We can click it, and now we see all our preferences that were filled in during registration. When we want to make changes, we just tap this edit icon beside it. For example, this priority we can drag to reorder. Favorite also, we can select or deselect. The style, restriction, allergies, meal goals also in the same way. Then is notification. In this notification page, there are general notifications, communication, security alerts. We can enable all, disable all, or adjust one by one. Next is setting. In setting, we can adjust for preference like dark mode, notifications, language, and regions. Also have the privacy and security section, account, and support info. Now let us move to help and support page. Here we can find answers and guidance if we face any issues while using YumSoul. At the top we have a search bar where we can type keywords to quick find help. Below that there are quick actions like logging a meal, updating preference, and view achievement. This lets us jump straight to common tasks. Next, we can browse by category, such as getting started, account, feature, and troubleshooting. Each category helps us narrow down the FAQ below. When we tap on the question, it expands smoothly to show the answer. If we search something that does not match, it shows no result found. At the bottom, there's a contact section where we can email support directly or start a live chat if we still need help. And finally, we have a send feedback button for sharing thoughts about the app. This page makes it easy for users to get help, find answers, and stay connected with the YumSoul team anytime. And then our last part is about YumSoul. Here users can learn more about YumSoul, what it is, what it stands for, and the people behind it. At the top, we see the YumSoul logo and tagline. It also shows the current version of the app. Below that, we highlight some quick stats like how many users, mail log, and countries YumSoul has reached. Then we have our mission, sharing how YumSoul helps users make mindful food choices that match their emotion and lifestyle. Followed by the YumSoul story, which tells how the app was created to make everyday eating joyful again. Next, the key features section briefly showcases our core functions, emotional eating, smart suggestions, and progress tracking. At the bottom, there are helpful links for more information like our website, privacy policy, and terms of service. Users can also find contact options and connect us on social media. And finally, there's a button to rate YumSoul on the app. This page helps users understand who we are, who we do, and how to stay connected with YumSoul. That's all our interface of YumSoul. Thank you.